Hello, fellow travelers. I'm Samantha, and here at Travel Partner, we're more than a source of information. We're a family of curious souls who believe in the power of exploration. We share stories, tips, and inspiration to make every journey unforgettable. If you love discovering the world, you've found your home with us. Today, I want to take you to a city that's captured my heart. Belgrade, the vibrant capital of Serbia, where history and nightlife come alive under the stars. Get ready to explore hidden gems, local favorites, and unforgettable experiences. Let's make travel a shared journey. Your stories inspire us, and we hope ours inspire you. Now, let's dive into the incredible nightlife of Belgrade. It's going to be a night to remember. When you think of Europe's top party destinations, you might picture Ibiza or Berlin. But let me share a secret. Belgrade offers an electrifying experience with a unique character. For years, it's been a hidden gem, known to seasoned travelers and partygoers. But the secret's out. Belgrade is a city with a soul that never sleeps. Its resilience is woven into its fabric, giving it a raw, unfiltered energy. It's not polished like other capitals. It's gritty, real, and beautiful. The nightlife here is about pure, unadulterated fun. No pretense, just celebration. The city's nickname, the White City, is fitting. It's a blank canvas for your own story every night. Start with dinner in a traditional kafana, end dancing on a river barge at sunrise. Belgrade doesn't just have nightlife, it is nightlife. The whole city joins in, creating a contagious atmosphere. If you want something authentic and full of life, Belgrade should top your list. It's for the curious traveler who wants to feel a city's heartbeat. Lose yourself in the music, find yourself in the process. Forget what you know about European nightlife. Belgrade is here to rewrite the rules. Belgrade's nightlife pulses along the Sava and Danube rivers, home to the city's iconic splavs, floating clubs, bars, and restaurants. Imagine a street of nightclubs, but gently rocking on the water. Each splav has its own vibe, music, and crowd, creating a floating universe of fun. In summer, the riverbanks become the epicenter of the party, with music ranging from electronic to folk pop and jazz. People spill onto promenades, turning the area into a massive open-air celebration. You can hop from one splav to another, sampling different scenes until you find your perfect fit. But nightlife isn't just on the water. The city center buzzes too. Skadarlia's cobblestone streets offer a bohemian vibe with live folk music and Serbian cuisine. Savamala, once industrial, is now a creative hub with trendy bars, art galleries, and underground clubs. The variety is what makes Belgrade's nightlife so compelling. Enjoy cocktails on a rooftop bar or discover a hidden courtyard bar with locals. The city encourages you to explore, wander, and be open to new experiences. Every corner holds a new sound, taste, or friend. In Belgrade, the night is yours to shape. Let the rivers guide your rhythm. Belgrade was once for the adventurous few, but now travelers from around the world are flocking here. One big draw, incredible value. A night out costs a fraction of other European cities. Enjoy world-class entertainment, food, and drinks without breaking the bank. The city's authenticity is another magnet. It hasn't been polished for tourists. The nightlife grew organically from local culture. Visitors are invited to join, not just observe. Serbians are known for their hospitality and love of a good time. Locals welcome you, invite you to their table, and make sure you're having fun. The party doesn't stop at midnight. It goes until sunrise, any night of the week. This round-the-clock energy has earned Belgrade its reputation as a city that never sleeps. International magazines and DJs have sung its praises. Belgrade is now a must-visit for anyone who loves to dance, celebrate, and experience life. Come for the party, stay for the people. You'll leave with memories and maybe a few new friends. Whatever your vibe, Belgrade has a spot for you. Ready to dance until dawn? Head to splavs like Freestyler or Lasta, high energy, glamorous, and wildly popular. Prefer something underground? Explore Savamala and Dorchol for clubs like Drugstore, a techno haven in a former slaughterhouse, or KC Grad, a creative space for live bands and art. Jazz lovers should check out Strogi Centaur or Jazz Bashta, intimate venues with top-notch musicians. For traditional Serbian culture, visit a kafana in Skadarlija, like Tri Shashira, for live folk music and hearty food. Belgrade's bar scene is just as diverse. Hidden speakeasies, cozy pubs, chic cocktail lounges, and rooftop bars like Cinnamon. The best way to experience it? Wander the side streets and let the city surprise you. Every night out is a new adventure. Whether you crave wild parties or soulful music, Belgrade delivers. The city's energy is infectious. You'll find your perfect spot, maybe even one you didn't expect. Let your curiosity lead the way. In Belgrade, the night belongs to you. Cheers to unforgettable evenings. In Belgrade, locals and visitors party together, no barriers, just shared joy. You'll dance with students, share drinks with travelers, and laugh with new friends from around the world. Serbians are proud of their city and eager to welcome you. Don't be surprised if a local invites you to join their group or teaches you a few Serbian words. This openness transforms a night out into genuine connection. Even solo travelers feel at home. Just smile, say zdravo, and join the celebration. Nights start late, with dinner or drinks around 10, and clubs don't fill up until after midnight. The energy builds until sunrise, so pace yourself. End the night with a pljeskavica, a Serbian burger, from a street vendor. In Belgrade, you're never alone. You're part of a citywide celebration. The atmosphere is welcoming, dynamic, and unforgettable. Come as a stranger, leave as a friend. That's the magic of Belgrade nights. Belgrade is generally safe, but a little common sense goes a long way. Keep your belongings secure in crowded places and only carry what you need. Use reputable taxis or ride-hailing apps. Avoid unmarked cabs and always check the meter. Plan your route home before heading out. Try Rakija, the local spirit, but pace yourself. It's strong. Always watch your drink being poured and never leave it unattended. Stay hydrated, especially if you're dancing all night. Be a respectful guest. Learn a few Serbian phrases and be courteous to staff and fellow partygoers. The people of Belgrade are warm and generous. Show your appreciation. Your kindness will be returned tenfold. With these tips, your night will be fun, safe, and unforgettable. Enjoy every moment. As dawn breaks, the party winds down, but the Belgrade experience continues. Grab a burek from a 24-hour bakery, a beloved post-party tradition. After some rest, ease into the day with a strong Serbian coffee at a cozy cafe. Savor the moment, reflect on the night, and watch the city wake up. Belgrade's coffee culture is as important as its nightlife, a time to recharge and relive memories. You'll remember the music, laughter, first sip of Rakija, and the city's glowing skyline. These moments make travel meaningful. Belgrade leaves a lasting impression. It gets under your skin in the best way. As you sip your coffee, you might already be planning your return. The city invites you back, promising more adventures. The morning after is for gratitude, not regrets. Celebrate the memories and the magic of Belgrade. I hope this glimpse into Belgrade's nightlife has inspired your next adventure. From floating clubs to hidden jazz bars, Belgrade offers something for every traveler. Here at Travel Partner, we're dedicated to sharing stories that go beyond the guidebooks. Join our community, share your stories, ask for advice, and connect with fellow explorers. Follow us for daily travel inspiration and behind-the-scenes content. Your voice is part of our family. Let's build a global community of passionate travelers together. What's next on your travel wish list? We're here to help you make it happen. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy travels. See you on the road.